What is Mirador Annotation Editor Video?
It is a plugin for Mirador 4 that adds annotation creation for video. It extends the image-oriented Mirador Annotation Editor.
What makes video annotation different from image annotation?
With images you annotate a region of the frame, a spatial target. With video you can also specify a time range, called a temporal target.
So a single annotation can cover both a place and a time window?
Exactly. One annotation can carry both a spatial shape and a start-to-end time range simultaneously.
Does IIIF support video content?
Yes. IIIF Presentation API 3.0 can handle video and audio within the same manifest structure used for images.
And annotations are saved in what format?
IIIF and W3C web annotation format. You can choose the storage backend through an adapter, local storage, your own server, and others.
What is the license for MAEV?
GPLv3, compared to Apache 2.0 for the image edition. If image annotation alone is enough, the image edition is an alternative.
Where can I try MAEV without installing anything?
There is an official demo at tetris-3f.github.io/mirador-annotation-editor-video with a clock video and 9 sample annotations.
What happens when I play the video?
Annotations matching the current playback position appear in the panel. Each annotation only shows during its time window.
Can I filter the annotations?
Yes. You can filter by text string or by tag, and export visible annotations from the panel.
How do I create a new annotation?
Press Create Annotation. A panel opens with 3 templates: Note, Tag, and Expert Mode. Choose Note for a standard text annotation.
How do I set the spatial target?
Use the Shape tools under Target to draw a rectangle or circle on the video frame. You can also adjust color and line weight from the Style section.
And for the time range?
Scroll to the Time section. Play the video to the start scene, press Set Current Time for start, then do the same for end.
How do I finish and save the annotation?
Enter body text in the Quill editor, optionally add tags, then press Save. The annotation appears in the panel list.
How do I embed MAEV in my own site?
Install the npm package Mirador Annotation Editor Video, then pass Mirador Annotation Editor Video plugins to the Mirador Viewer config.
What is the key takeaway?
MAEV combines spatial shapes and temporal time ranges into single IIIF annotations. The time section is the only new concept beyond the image edition.